Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Can you see what's missing on my face? My brows. So today we're going to try a brand new product that I haven't used yet. You're going to use it with me. I just got it. It's called Mad Love, and this is that stuff where you can get the stencils. You can get the, it's a stamper type thing for your brows. We're going to see if this works. I've never used it. I just got it like yesterday. So that's the box. And then it comes in this beautiful little bag. This is the bag that it comes in. It's really nice. And it's got stamped in there as Mad Love. You can't see it. But it's really cute. It's a great little makeup bag. Or if you're traveling and you want to carry all your brow stuff, here you go. You can do it that way. So let's see what all's in here. Now, it does have, it does come with this. It's got a QR code. Ta-da! So if you click that, it gives you, I think, a tutorial. It gives you a tutorial by the lady who actually invented this product, who is a mom, who is a makeup artist, who just decided to start just this alone. That's all she does is for the brows. Now, let me see what's in here. Now, this right here is, let's see what's in here. As we go, it's just got the spoolie in it. Oh, this has got down in there. There's a little, see it down there? That has got a clear gel that you can use to get your brows going in the right direction. If you got really sparse brows, you might want to do that. It might help you keep the hairs going in the right direction. And then that's what this is for. This little spoolie, you put it down in the gel and we do it. We'll do that in a second. Okay, I think I'm going to do that because mine are really mine are not too bad, but they're not too good either. They're just they're going away. They're not like they used to be. I used to have really good brows and I never even had to, pluck them or anything like that. They had a great shape. And now they suck. They're getting where, brows frame your face and you really do need to get something. I think this is good. I'm just scared of the microblading kind of thing. I'm afraid they'd overdo it and then I'm stuck with it. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want to do that. Now this right here, let's see what this is. This is the, I got a Shimmer Glow Brow Highlighter. So that comes with it. Ooh, girl, I didn't know that came with it. Okay, let's see what's in this. This is like Christmas. Hang on. We're going to get to the tutorial in just a minute. Alyssa got to tear into this stuff first. Oh, what is this? This is a highlighter too. Oh my goodness, it's a matte brow highlighter. We're going to play with all of this. We're going to see how this whole thing comes together. Now, what's down in here? Oh, this must be the stamp. Okay. And it comes with another spoolie. I guess this is for the actual using the stamp, okay? So let's look at this. I got the color medium brown. I hope it ain't too dark. But if it is, it's okay because, I'll just reorder the next step. I might mix the two, you know what I'm saying? I can't get this open. They package it well, let me say that. Oh, here it is. This is the stamp. And it's really cool. Now I'm gonna look at it just for a few minutes and kind of figure it out. And then I'm gonna figure out which stencil is best for me. It comes with all these little stencils here. You get to choose. There's a lot of stencils in here. So the one thing I want to show you though that's really cool about the stencil, here's one laying here. Right here, you'll see a word called long and then short, okay? So if you're using this stencil, you can come to the long, or if you need it shorter, you line it up with the short. I'm probably going to have to line it up with the short because I have a small face anyway. So let me see if this is the one that's actually great for me. We're going to start with this brow here simply because it's the easiest one for me to get up here in your face. All right, let's get going. Okay, let's look at this right now. This is the stamper. So when you open this, it's going to have the pomade on one side, and this is the little brush on the other. So I believe what you're supposed to do is stick it back down in here, and then when you pull it back out, it's going to have the product. Yeah, it does. It has the product on it. You can see it there. You see it? Oh, so I'm anxious and scared at the same time. So this is the one that I held up. This is the one I think is best for me. This is it right here. I don't think they have a number on them. Yeah, it does. It has number 4. I think that's what that says. I'm blind, girlfriend. But it's number 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably use, this is going to be too long for me, I feel like. Because if I bring it all the way up here, I mean, look, it's going to go way out here. So I'm going to use the short. the little short one there, and I'm going to place it right there for my short, like that, okay? But one thing I want to do, I do want to try the gel. So we are going to try that first too, and I think then it will stay better. So let me look at this gel stuff. I haven't even opened that one yet, but what the heck, we might as well do it, right? So let me get it out. I may have to open this from the bottom just to get it out because it looks like it's going to be that kind of way. I'm just tearing these boxes all up. If I don't like it, I can't send it back. I think I'm going to love it. Okay, this is it. This is a little gel. Clean Girl Brow Slick. That's what it's called. Oh my goodness. Let's try Brow Slick. Let's see if I can open it without tearing this up. I think it just pulls off. I was thinking maybe it just kind of popped off or twisted off. Oh goodness gracious. Let me see how to do this. Okay, I figured it out. It didn't say what to do, but you do not twist this off. You have to push it down and then twist it and it pops off. Okay, so there's the gel. It is very clear, isn't it? It's cool. So let's do this brow here because this is the brow we're going to focus on. So you take this and I guess you just kind of slide it in here. And this, what I'm going to do is just grab some of it and I'm just going to kind of smooth it out onto the spoolie just a little bit. And I guess you do it like this and just kind of comb it upward. I'm going to turn it so that I make sure I get some of that gray. Oh, it does work pretty good. This is kind of cool. I like this. I might just go ahead and do this other side because I got 2 eyebrows. So I've got to do what I got to do. Let me grab a little more of this. That is so cool. Okay, I love getting new things. Now, I love getting new things and I like trying new things with you just because that way you can see, you know, I'm not perfect at doing this. I'm not. I'm just 61 years old trying to keep some brows going. That's what I'm doing. And you can see mine have gotten very sparse over here on the ends. So that's basically what I'm hoping that it works well for me. And then you're going to have to let this dry. I can feel it. You're going to have to let it dry. So let this dry. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do the stamping. I'm still so trying to get used to this short hair, but she fixed it yesterday and I didn't wash it today because I'm trying not to do that. I'm trying to wash it like every 3rd day for this baby fine hair, but you know what? It did pretty good. I mean, I got out my little curling iron and kind of fluffed it up a little bit. I do think it's kind of sassy short, so I'm embracing it, you know what I mean? I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to embrace it. All right, so this is the stencil I'm going to use. This one. And what you're going to have to do, or what I think, I was sitting here trying to figure this out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this so that when I have the stencil up and I'm holding it, I'm not going to have to untwist this. Did you get that? So I can see that there's product there. Let me just make sure I get it right. And then come back. Oh, yeah, I see what it does. It's got a spring in it. Okay. I'm figuring it out as I go. This is what happens when you get on here with me and I haven't tried something before. Okay, so I am going to use, here's the long, here's the short. You can see there's 2 of them there. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it behind. See that? There's 2. And so I'm going to use the short one. And I'm going to take the short one and it is going to be where I'm going to start. And let's hope, and you're going to have to hold it like this. And you take the stamper. Let's get up here and see what we do. And I got to come all the way in. Don't move it. Just keep it going. Oh my goodness. This looks crazy. Oh, Lord. Well, I think I do like the shape of it, but it is kind of dark. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get my little spoolie out, and we are going to take some of this off. The shape of it is perfect. Maybe I got the wrong color for me, but however, I think it's going to be perfectly good once I take this, and anywhere you need to clean up, like if that's not good for you, just kind of clean. I like the way it did that. You know what? I probably should have got a lighter color, but however, I am going to kind of swipe through this and just take some of that pigmentation out of there. which this is not normally the, oh, wow. But I can clean this up. They got that little, you know, they got the little bitty thing in it that, oh my goodness, it does. It is shaped pretty good now. I just hope I can get this side over here in the same way. But what I can see that I'm probably going to do, let's take this, see, it's got a little end on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come through here and I'm just going to kind of swipe some of that up and kind of lighten it up right there. So if you do get the wrong color, which I don't think I got the wrong color. I think it's just the first time listeners ever used it. And you have to figure it out. So don't give up on things just because it looks like it might not work. Now, however, if you do use this, I would probably not use as much as I did here in this corner. I think I would probably dot it once and then go with it. Dot there and then stamp it in really well over here because you don't want it to be too dark there. You do look like Groucho Marx if that happens. So I'm just going to take some of this and kind of get rid of some of that pigmentation. But I do like the way it is shaped. Wow, see the difference a brow makes? I mean, look, sad. Definitely happy on this side. But we are going to clean this up. I'm going to use those little highlighters and stuff, and we're going to see how those work. And see, that can come in here, and you can define it a little more with that if you want to. So what I'm going to take is the spoolie. I like the little spoolie idea because that is perfect. Tone it down. Get everything going. And I like the fact that I put that gel on top of it first because guess what? That's going to make it stay better. I guarantee that's what that's for. So wow, I'm impressed. So let me grab the shimmer stuff and we're going to work on this side only and we're going to see the difference between the two. I think we're going to like it. Okay, so the one I got came with both of these. And one is a matte and one is shimmer. Now, let me look and see which one is matte and which one is shimmer. This one is matte and then this one is shimmer. So if I was going to use this, I would probably use the shimmer right underneath here and probably the matte around that because I don't want it to be like crazy, crazy, crazy. So let's take the little shimmer. Here we go. Now I'm going to try it out on my arm just to, oh, that does. It goes on very nicely. Look at that. That's nice. So we're just going to kind of clean it up right through here with that. Let's just see what it does. And I'm going to take my finger, kind of blend along with it. And see, oh, that does look good. Now, you don't have to get all of this that I got. If you want to just get the stampers, you can do that. But I wanted the whole thing. I wanted to make sure that if I liked it, I wanted to share it. And I do like that. That is more of a powder to me when I put it on. Now, this one is, this is a matte. So let's take the matte. Here it is. And I'm just going to come across the top with the matte one, okay? Just slightly through there. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to just kind of blend it in with my finger. So I think your finger is the best tool sometimes, especially for something like this. Look at that, girlfriend. Oh, I think I like this. Now, I'm going to stamp the other brow and I'll be right back. Okay, I've done the other one. Now we're going to use the spoolie. And we are going to kind of thin it out, just like we did the other side. Smooth it out. Oh, I like it. I think I'm going to like this. The more I do it, the better I'm going to get at it, okay? So don't let something keep you back from trying something new. Please try. Because as we're getting older, we need to find things that work for us. And sometimes it's just hard to want to pay the money, I know, to try something that you're scared of. So that's why I went ahead and got this, hoping that it would be something great that you could actually use and love. And the fact that you got these two things to clean up with is pretty, I like that too. Now, I think you can just get the kit itself and not get these things. So, and I think if you did that, it's like $39. I think with shipping and all, it was like $90 for me. So, but I think this will last a long time. I'm going to open up this one here, and we're going to do the highlighter again. I hear my girlfriend coming off the bed. Yeah, Sugar's in here with me. She's my shadow. Oh, I like the highlighter. I like that. That makes a huge difference. Huge difference. Now my other dog's wanting in here. You hear her? She's going to have to wait. She knows we're in here and she wants to come in. Now this is the matte one. We're going to use the matte. And we're going to go across the top with the matte. Just like that. Remember, we're going to bring it all the way down. Kind of take it all the way around and take your finger. You could actually use a Q-tip if you wanted to do it with Q-tip. You could. You don't want to use your finger. But sometimes I think my finger does the best because it's warm. It kind of pushes it into my skin a little bit more. Oh, I like that. I'm going to come back over here and add just a tad right here of that matte. Because I want it to be nice and bright. I think I like it. Oh. And see, she's an entrepreneurial person. And I love that in women. I do. I looked at it down here. I'm looking at it in my mirror and I'm looking at you. And I'm going, it looks pretty good. I like this. So the more I do this, the better I'm going to get at it. Remember, practice makes perfect. I've always told myself that. Sometimes I don't believe in my own self. Truly, I have always had that issue of just not believing in me as much as I should. And I think we're all probably guilty of that. I'm going to kind of push these hairs up here, right here. I'm taking the spoolie, and not the spoolie, but this end and kind of flicking it up. That looks like it's working pretty good. So you try. I think you'll love this. I think you will love this. This is not sponsored or anything. I bought this with my own money. And I like it. That was easy. Sometimes it's hard to draw it on, but you have so many choices here that you can use. I think you should give it a try. Just get the basics first, and if you like it, then you could probably go back and purchase the other products, the highlighters. I just think I just got the whole thing because I wanted to try it all, and I really do love it. Yay! Absolutely. Okay, I'm going to give it a 10 because I think that color is good for me too. So there's a lot of different colors. So you're going to have to choose which one you think is the best for you. So, all right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I know this is a short video and I just wanted to get this product and I wanted to show it to you and show you how fabulous I thought it was going to be. And now that I know that it's fabulous, I love that I have shared it with you. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. And you know what? I hope you have a fabulous week. If you have any questions, just message me. I think she has something on there you can message her about her products too. So, but I'll put everything in the description box below for you. And here you go. Ta-da! I got new brows. All right. I'll see y'all next week. Have a great time.